Once, in a small village surrounded by golden sands, there lived a community of devoted Muslims. They lived in harmony, eternally grateful for the bounties bestowed upon them. One bright morning, as the call to far prayer echoed, the villagers gathered in the mosque. Imam Rashid, a wise and respected leader, delivered his sermon with passion, reminding them of the virtues of unity and brotherhood. He narrated the story of four friends, each owning a small piece of land. One year, a drought ravaged the village, threatening their crops. Instead of working individually, the friends decided to join forces. They pooled their resources, sharing water, tools, and knowledge. Their decision bore fruit, for their cooperation led to a successful harvest. Seeing the lush green fields, the villagers were astonished. Imam Rashid drew parallels between the friends' story and Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, lessons on community. He reminded them how the Prophet forged unity among the diverse tribes in Medina. Inspired by the sermon, the villagers spent the following days strengthening their bonds, visiting the sick, sharing meals, and aiding the needy. These moments cultivated a spirit of cooperation. Ramadan arrived, and with it, a collective sense of purpose permeated the village. Families broke their fasts together, exchanged gifts, and prayed in unison, infusing their hearts with joy and gratitude. On Eid morning, the village was vibrant, smiles and laughter echoing through the air. Imam Rashid, pleased with the harmony that had blossomed, reminded them, "In unity, there is strength." The moral of this narrative is that unity and cooperation, guided by faith, bring forth abundant blessings and strengthen the bonds of community.